Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a stock item in Zoho Books. This is essential if you want to track inventory levels, manage stock movements, and maintain accurate records of your physical products within your accounting system. Let's walk through the complete setup process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account with administrative access, as you'll need permission to modify settings and create inventory items. After logging in, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu, and clicking it will give you access to all the configuration options within Zoho Books. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings panel. Within the settings menu, you'll see several tabs and sections. Focus on the module settings tab and locate the general section. From here, click on the option labeled items. This is where you'll configure how Zoho Books handles your products and inventory tracking under the items general tab. Scroll down until you find the inventory settings section. You'll see a checkbox to enable inventory tracking. Click this checkbox to activate it. Once enabled, additional options will appear on your screen. Review these carefully, then enter your inventory start date. This date marks when you want Zoho Books to begin tracking your stock levels. After entering the date, click Save to confirm these changes. Now that inventory tracking is enabled, let's head back to actually adding an inventory item. Return to your dashboard, and from the left sidebar, click on Items. This section displays all your existing products and allows you to add new ones. At the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click this button to begin creating a new item. A form will appear where you'll configure all the details for your stock item. First, select the item type. For a stock item that you'll be tracking inventory for, choose Goods from the drop-down menu. This designation tells Zoho Books that this is a physical product requiring stock management. Next, enter the item name for your stock item. Be descriptive here so you can easily identify it later. After naming the item, move on to the sales information section. Here, fill in the sales price, which is what you'll charge customers for this item, and select the appropriate account from the drop-down. This account determines how sales of this item are recorded in your financial statements. Similarly, complete the purchase information section by entering the purchase price, which is your cost for acquiring this item, and select the corresponding purchase account. These details ensure accurate tracking of both revenue and cost of goods sold. Now comes the crucial part. Check the box labeled Track Inventory for this item. This enables stock tracking specifically for this product. Once checked, you'll see fields appear for opening stock quantity and opening stock rate per unit. Enter the number of units you currently have in stock and the value per unit. These figures establish your starting inventory position. Finally, set the inventory account. This is the balance sheet account where Zoho Books will track the total value of this item's stock. Once you've filled in all these details, click Save to add the stock item to your inventory in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.